Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on June 11, 2022. 5-star Sudoku. Column B, column C, we have 9. 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. 10th row and 8th row and 7th row we have 4. So 4 can't come in these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. 4th grade and 8th row we have 2. So 2 can't come in these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. Column D, only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7, it will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column B and 8th row we have 6. 6 can't come these cells, then 6 is confirmed here. 8th row and 10th row we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. 8th row we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. 7th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 5, 3, 7, it will come in one of the cells, we will confirm later. Then 8th row, only 1 number is remaining, 9 is confirmed here. 10th row, then column F we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. Column F we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 will come in one of the cells, we will confirm later. Tenth row we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells, then 5 is confirmed here. 8th grade, only 2 numbers are remaining, 798, it will come in one of the cells, we will confirm later. Tenth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9, it will come in one of the cells, we will confirm later. Ninth row, 3 numbers are remaining, 176. Column H, column J we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 6, it will come in one of the cells, we will confirm later. Column F, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 7, 9. 3rd row and 7th row we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells, the 9 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7, it will come in one of the cells, we will confirm later. Fifth row and 6th row we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells, the 1 is confirmed here. 7th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 5, 6. Column E, we have 2 and 5. So 2 and 5 can't come this cell, it will come in one of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. Then only 1 number is remaining, 6 is confirmed here. Column I, column J and 4th row we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells, then 8 is confirmed here. 2nd row we have 2 and 8. So 2 and 8 can't come these cells, it will come in one of the 2 cells. Column C we already have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. First grade, only two numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. It will come in one of the cells. Column B, we already have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Third row and fourth row, column E, we have 6. So 6 can't come in these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Second row, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 5, 9. Column E, we have 5 and 9. So 5 and 9 can't come in this cell. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining. 3 is confirmed here. Second grade, we have 3, so 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Seventh row, we can confirm 7 also here. Column D, only one number is remaining. 3 is confirmed here. Column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column B, we have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column C, only one number is remaining, 5 is confirmed here. Column B, only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Second grade, only 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. It will come in one of the cells. Third row, we already have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column E, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 7 and 8. Sixth row, we already have 4, so 4 can't come in this cell. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Third row, only one number is remaining, 3 is confirmed here. Column J, we have 3, so 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. 10th row, we have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column J, we have 5, so 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Fourth row, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 4, 7. Column H, column J, we have 2, so 2 can't come in these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column H, we have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column H, we have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column J, only one number is remaining, 6 is confirmed here. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. Sixth row, we already have 5, so 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Sixth row, we have 7, so 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 10th row, only one number is remaining, 8 is confirmed here. Sixth row, we already have 8, so 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Sixth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. Column H, we already have 2, so 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Fifth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. Column H, we already have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.